Thanks for coming out, everyone. We're Diamond Grinder. We're so excited to be here for the Booga Bugga Band single release. They're amazing, and we know that their single isn't officially posted, but we're sure it's incredible because they're really great. And will you please just give it up one more time for Nathan Zander? They're really incredible. We're really grateful to be on this bill at the Knitting Factory, so we're going to play another unreleased track of ours. Woo!
So much tuning, so much tuning, so much tuna, too much tuna. Eli's fluffiness lie.
Okay. Thanks, y'all. I don't think we did this on purpose, but the previous 3 songs and the one that's coming up are part of an EP that we're working on right now with this current configuration of the band, which leads me to introduce to my left Victor Pasek on the bass. In the back, that is Kai Barshak on the drums. My name's Eli, and to my right is Margaret Nygaard on the guitar and mandolin. This 4th song that we're about to play is also from that unreleased EP that we really hope to put out within the next 6 months or something. So if you like those songs and you want to hear really refined versions of them, free of the charming missteps of live music, you can follow us on Instagram. I would say all social media platforms, but that's really all we have. And I know y'all are on Insta. I see you looking at vitamin E, face oils and such. And I think Vic is signaling me to say, and therefore you should follow us as well. We're called Diamond Grinders. Margaret Hathaway on the electric mandolin. Kai leaped some beer out of his nose. Which I wanted to tell everyone on stage before I told you. What? He wants to move on. about to play the only song on our set that's released. It's not our only released song. We have about 10 of those. But this set's mostly new music we're trying out. But this next one is a bona fide classic called Cut the Shine. So if you want to check that out, contingent on whether or not you like this next one, you can find it streaming everywhere, or you can come buy a CD from us or a shirt after the show. I think we wrote our set list on one of our poetry broadside posters, so if one person is a super fan. Oh.
You can't see it from there.
This is the broadside. This could be worth upwards of $4 and you could buy it from us tonight for $2.
For $2.
Double your investment, not accounting for inflation.
You play it, then I can.
I forgot the chords for a second. Here we go. Sitting on the stoop, like a bird, not making any moves, not breaking any. I'm so sorry, guys. All that time I spent tuning, and I'm not even tuned up correctly. I apologize for that.
It says a lot about life.
Oy vey is mir. Anyone been to Two Boots Pizza? Anybody a fan of Two Boots Pizza?
Yeah.
We went there for dinner. It was nice. It was okay. I wasn't like thrilled about it, but
Was the dough too filling?
the dough was really filling. I made the mistake of getting a vegan slice. Not the call. What are you gonna do? At least I'm so full of calories and energy to do all this tuning. I tune as an act of love for you guys.
Thank you.
This is all for you. Might not feel it, but okay, let's try this one more time. Okay. Sitting on the stoop like a gargoyle. I'm not making any moves. I'm not breaking any rules, but I'm pretty sure I said something ocean. Sitting on grass,
Haven't played that one in a minute, but I think the heart was still there.
Yes, sir.
The sun comes up, I think of you. Don your clothes for a little proof. You're still gone and that won't change. Must the dead stay estranged? I know we all fall back into the elements. My eyes are sore from not waking up. The day is long until it's done. When the current cannot change, the train of thought won't leave the same. I know we all fall back into the elements. That's why we've got one last song for you. It's a new one that we just recorded. We want to put it out soon. It's called Plans. Have a nice little music video for you that you should look out for. Again, we're Diamond Grinder. Thanks Knitting Factory for having us. Thanks Gideon out there on the soundboard. We really appreciate you. Thank you, Bugga Band, the Boogas, for inviting us here tonight. We're so excited for your set. Y'all are really amazing, and we're honored that you asked us to play here. And Nathan Zander, that was really incredible, and we hope to see more of you. So thanks everybody for coming out.
Woo! 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 Woo!